This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the composition with the exact resolution and frame rate you need. Set 1080p at 30 fps or 720p at 60 fps depending on motion. Next, import your video clips, audio files, and PNGs, and drag them onto separate tracks so you can edit non-destructively. Once done, enable the grid and snapping to align elements precisely, and set the project duration to match your main clip, so trimming later is straightforward and predictable. You now perform the detailed editing. Trim and split clips precisely, zoom the timeline for frame-accurate adjustments, and ripple delete gaps to keep timing tight. Then animate with transform keyframes, set easing for natural motion, and stagger scale and position to create depth. Make sure to apply effects like color correction and Gaussian blur sparingly, and use masks with feathering for smooth reveals. Once key animated sequences are polished, preview at full quality so you can catch timing or drift issues. You finish by exporting with the correct container and settings. Choose MP4H, 264 for video, set bitrate to balance quality and size, and enable hardware encode if your device supports it. Before rendering, scrub the timeline to confirm audio sync and the exact duration, and preview color shifts on another device. If rendering fails or playback stutters, clear the app cache, render problematic layers separately, lower export bitrate, or split the project into smaller segments. These steps usually resolve crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.